other functions, attention deficit. We've got release bad behavior in children, learning disability. And we can help people with psychosomatic, somopsychic. We've got all the types of depression, bipolar depression. Many things, and mainly we can ask the client's unconscious what it needs, and that's what makes this the top technology in the world.